Just following on from that last clip, another handy navigation tip. If you now we know we've got all these floor plans in order, we go into our thumbnails pane. We can see that the thumbnails are listed in the correct order, 1 through to 10. But they're just, we can see just the number of the drawing and not the name. Quick way to remedy that is creating page labels. So if you go up to the icon, create a page label, dialog pops up. It's given the option to select a page region, so take that option. Make sure your page range is set for all your pages. It's by default. You can do certain pages if you want. And what Bluebeam will do is, sorry, I should have clicked select. It will read each one of these title blocks on all 10 pages, and then it will give each one of these thumbnails a name as opposed to a number, which is a little bit more useful if you're flitting back and forth through the plans trying to get stuff done. I hope that helps.